Right, today we're going to have a look at this Fisher valve positioner. Let's start taking it apart. First, we'll remove this terminal block, the one on the left of the screen. This is the junction box. Right, now let's take a closer look at the terminal blocks. It's worth noting that there are actually two different versions available for these. You've got the ones that come with integrated valve position feedback, and then there are the standard versions that don't include that feature. Depending on your specific setup, you'll need to make sure you're selecting the right one for your system. Right, so now we're going to go ahead and carefully take off this protective cover here. There are two pressure gauges on top indicating the readings. Right, so now we're going to carefully pop the cover off, and once that's done, we'll be able to get a really good look at exactly what's going on inside. With the cover finally removed, let's take a closer look at all the components tucked away in there and see how everything's put together. The specific part I'm touching right here, the technical manual refers to it as an IP converter, which is essentially a current to pressure device. Basically, it's an electro-pneumatic pressure controller. Right, okay, let's go ahead and take this off now. It shouldn't take us too long to get it sorted, so let's just carefully remove it. Underneath here are the air lines. The specific unit I am carefully taking off right now is the main amplifier. You can see it is clearly marked with A, B and C lines, and this particular one here is definitely the C line. Right, now that we've identified that, let's go ahead and take that amplifier off the mount. Now that we've reached this stage, we're getting everything ready to carefully pull the unit apart. Before we dive in, it's crucial that we take a moment to systematically disconnect all of these electrical connections. Please be methodical about this, as we need to ensure every single cable is unplugged safely to avoid any potential damage to the internal components as we proceed with the disassembly. Don't touch the two pressure gauges. And let's see what's assembled underneath. Right, nice and slow. It actually looks like there's some sort of circuit board in there. Yeah, a PCB. Feels a little bit tight in there, and honestly, it's getting quite tricky to get out. Got it out now. There are two plugs. You'll find the pin type connectors, which are securely attached directly onto the board. Let's unplug them. Let's go ahead and have a closer look. This here is the main PCB, I reckon. Right, let's go ahead and take it off. It looks like there are two, maybe three screws holding it in place that we'll need to undo first. Let's undo the screws and see. Take it out nice and slow. This right here is the protective housing for the main module board, keeping it all secure. Now let's check the base outside. That looks like a pressure reducing valve. The sensor and the terminal block connection. So this right here is the main amplifier base unit. And moving along, this specific component you're looking at is the primary converter contact point. So this right here is the main board. It's the PCB or printed circuit board, which acts as the central nervous system for the entire device. This is the converter, an IP converter. Looking up the specs, it seems to convert electrical signals into air intake, I think. Yeah, that's it. This is the amplifier. The manual calls it an amplifier, and it says there are 3 types: A, B, and C.